Hello, welcome back. It's Al, still on my Spanish trip. Yesterday the weather wasn't very good, and today it's very nice weather today. I'm just going to go and park up along the beach edge and see if I can find somewhere else to park today. So we'll see what happens. I'm in this sleepy little village. Very, very sleepy, and I noticed some campers along here, so I might go and join in. It's a pretty rough and ready place. There is a Chiringuito open at the moment, so I'm going to take a walk and see if they're open tonight, because I do fancy a cooked meal. Well, I have moved on down the coast, and this is my new location. It's not the prettiest place in the world, but it is very quiet, and I've already made a friend, a French guy. He's been here 4 days now. Says it's tranquil, and there's one bar which I'm going to go and have a look and see if it's open for some fish or something later. There's my friend there, so let's go and have a look. Well, this is it. I wish I knew the name of the village. I'm going to have to ask where we are, but that's where I was before, and now I'm here. This is very sleepy. This is very nice. Massive great beach. I'm going to go for a cold beer now. I can't believe it. I just had 2 glasses of beer. It come with 2 little plates of food. One had 2 sausages, fish paste and eggs. I think that's tapas. Wonderful. So I'm going back tomorrow for some fish. I didn't take my camera to the bar, so this is off my phone. I got 2 plates. The first one was a cocktail stick with barbecue beef on it. Whoops, hang on. Barbecue beef and a slice of bread, and then this come along. I think it's fish tapas with eggs, loads of things within the mashy type stuff, and 2 sausages and a piece of bread. And I only had 2 beers. Yeah, they really look after you here. I've said that I'm going back to eat with them tomorrow, so see how that goes. Again, what can I say? Beer come with food. My best Spanish, or is it my worst Spanish? I said I was going to eat with them tomorrow evening, so let's see how that goes. My sisters have been taking the piss out of me, saying that it was probably off for the grub I got today, but no, lovely, excellent. And I had a chat to the ladies who were speaking to me in English, and I was speaking back to them in my broken Spanish, and they did kind of understand and correct me. It was good. So yeah, learning all the time. You learn something every day, don't you? That's Alan on the beach, and it'll be sunset again, I reckon, into the sea, so I'll see if I can get a better sunset this time. Another thing, it was my best friend in the world's birthday today, so happy birthday, Ralphie. Happy birthday, mate. Hope you like the presents I sent you. Please keep the Lego camper van together if you can. Love you. I'll see you in a few weeks. Take care. That's Grandad on the beach, believe it or not. Well, that's me. I've had my hour on the beach. Sun's getting a bit low in the sky now. Somebody else has made it. And I'm back to the van. Not sure what else I can do today. I'm going to get the sunset, and I think that's about me done. I'm having trouble with my tripod. Here we go again. Here we go. I've got my wind mask on. I'm trying to do it on my phone at the same time. Bloody thing. I hate it. Oh. Really though. half in the sea, half in the sea. Here it goes. Hello. It's going. There she goes. Last quarter. Last bit. And the last bit goes really quickly. There we go. She's going into the sea. There we go. It's going. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and she's going. It's gone. It's gone. Wonderful. Wow, what about that? I always find that great. To do it 2 days in a row is quite unbelievable. I think it's the first time I've done it 2 days in a row. So let's go back and put it on the computer and see what we got. That's me shutting down. Hope you enjoyed today. I have. Look at that sky. Alan out. Well, the sun's gone down. I just thought I'd give you a look at this pretty little coastal village. It's not Touristville. There's no hotels or anything. This is Spain for real. And in this little car park we've got 2 French, 1 English, oh that's me, 1 Rome, 1 from Rome, and 1 German. But look at this sky. Mr. Moon is out already. He's chasing the sun, and that really is Alan out. It's a very nice village, I like it. It's one of the best ones I've found. It will be marked on the map. I better go and find it on Google Maps. I should be coming back here on my return trip, that's for sure. Alan out. Hello, and it's back to Al's Railway. This is my second video. The first one I thought was rubbish, but here we go again. Sorry about the camera work. I'm still learning, and this is where the whole story began. Back in 1963, I think, or maybe 1964, my father bought me this for Christmas. Come on, here she comes. Here she comes. Look here, look at that. Look, it's a B12, complete with its 2 carriages. This if it's I was 5 at the time when I was born in 1958, so it was either Christmas 64, I think 64, maybe 65. This engine is quite old now, but it still runs lovely, really nice. It's done hundreds and hundreds of miles. It comes again. There we have it. This is my old Flying Scotsman. There's no super detail. There's the handrails are all moulded in. These are all moulded. There wasn't a budget version nor a deer version or super detail, should I say, in the 70s. This is the Flying Scotsman of the day, Scotsman. So that's basically what you get. Okay, we've had our service, we're back in the loft, and let's see what happens. Who's a pretty girl now then? It has actually stalled there for some reason. Maybe I just haven't got enough power on it. So there we have it, clean, shiny. It works quite well, it runs quite well, quite smooth, quite quiet. I'm having an issue with certain pico points, especially the curve points on the other side of the layout. Oh, she's going, we're going. Listen out for the nasty clunk. Listen. Boom. It does not like that.